We're going to talk about some VA loan myths today on Major Money Matters. So there I was. I'm part of this Facebook group where there's some other lenders, there's some real estate agents in there, and we're having a conversation about VA loans. The lies that they were telling about VA loans was very shocking. And you have agents and lenders that don't know the updated guidelines on VA loans. And the concern there is that they are essentially giving our veterans bad information about using their VA home loan benefit. So I want to tackle some myths about the VA loan and help you understand the power of this tool in your home ownership strategy. So VA loan myth number one, there is a VA loan limit. Back in January 1st of 2020, Congress passed the Blue Water Act, and what this act did was it erased the limit on VA loans. So currently, if you don't have any of your entitlement used, you can get a VA loan for as much as you can income qualify for. So there is no limit on your VA loan. Now, part of what you need to understand is in the lending world, there's this thing called overlays. So basically, an overlay says the government doesn't stop you from doing it, but a particular lender may stop you from doing it. For example, I grew up in South Carolina, and in my mom's house, you cannot come into her house after midnight. My mom always used to say the only thing open after midnight is clubs and, well, I can't say that on this channel. You had rules, but really the government would allow you to do it. You just couldn't do it in our house. Even to this day, I can't go back home, go into my mom's house after midnight. It's pretty weird. And I'm 40 years old. So lenders sometimes have overlays. They won't tell you what you can do, because if they tell you what you can do and their particular bank can't do it, or their particular lending institution can't do it, they are losing that business. So they make you believe that you have to do this, or this is a limitation of your VA home loan. And really it's not. So there is no limit on your VA loan, although a particular lender might say that you cannot go above a certain limit. You can particularly go up on a VA loan as much as you can income qualify for, but there is no limit on your VA loan. Myth number two, there's a minimum credit score on VA loans. There is no minimum credit score on VA loans. Every lender has an overlay where they can go down to a particular credit score. For some institutions, that is a 600 or a 620 or a 640. Some lending institutions go down to a 580 on credit score. But there is no limit of credit score that the VA actually puts in place. It is totally up to the lender. Here at Align Mortgage of Hawaii, we go down to a 600 credit score. There are some places where you can go lower on a VA loan, some places where your credit score has to be higher. Myth number three, you can only have one VA loan at a time. This is untrue. There are many of our clients who have more than one VA home loan. Now, if you buy a house in Hawaii or San Diego, it's likely that most of your entitlement will be used up. However, if you bought a house in South Carolina, Georgia, Florida, lower price points, it's likely that you still have VA loan entitlement remaining, and you can buy another loan without doing anything to your loan in that other state. So keep that in mind. You need to talk to your lender and figure out how much entitlement you have remaining. It is not that you can only have one VA loan at a time. Myth number four, you can only use your VA loan once. This is untrue. If you have a VA loan and then you sell that home, or if you have a VA loan and you sell that home, you free up your VA entitlement. Or if you refinance that home to a conventional loan, you can free up your VA entitlement and buy another home at 0% down using your VA home loan benefit. So you certainly can use your VA home loan benefit more than once. Now, this is very important because we have a lot of older veterans who believe that they got a home a long time ago and sold that home, and they can't use their VA home loan again. We need you, the children, grandchildren of our veterans, to inform them that yes, they can use their VA home loan again. It's all in the VA lending guidelines. Read the t-shirt. VA myth number 5. You cannot use your home loan again if you had a short sale or a foreclosure. This is absolutely false. Now, in order to restore your entitlement fully on a short sale home sale, it may be likely that you will have to pay the VA the guaranteed portion of that particular loan that they did not receive on that short sale or that foreclosure. That is quite possible. So you need to contact your lender and figure out how much entitlement you have remaining and how much of the entitlement is tied up in that short sale or foreclosure. You have one of two options. You can pay off that bill with the VA and then your entitlement is fully available to you. Or, in the 2008, 2009, 2010 housing crash, there were many short sales and foreclosures. So in that time, the loan limit has continued to increase. So it may be possible that you can buy a home in your county without even paying off the portion of your VA guarantee that is tied up in that short sale or that foreclosure. Please share this video. Please get the word out. There's a lot of information. As I'm in this Facebook group, people are sharing Google pages and stuff that is just outdated information. And they really believe that what they're telling you is the truth. And this information changes all the time. So my disclaimer on this video is that this information is accurate as of January 2021. That's it. See you next time on Major Money Matters.